Hello everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namya here with another video which is related to Python for you. Today I'm going to teach you that how you can generate Fibonacci series in Python. You might be wondering what is that? So let me tell you. The main concept behind Fibonacci series is previous number plus current number equal to new number. So let me give you an example. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So here 0 is the previous number, 1 is the current number, and again 1 is the new number. I'll give you one more example. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So same way, 1 is the previous number, 2 is the current number, and 3 is the new number. So I hope you are clear what is a Fibonacci series. Let us start with the program now. So let us start by taking a variable as I equal to 1, then another variable like j equal to 2, and then we have to print the value of I, and similarly of j. It won't actually print, but it would print the series up to 100. And then let us take one more variable n, which is equal to 3. And then we'll print n also. So like Fibonacci series will start like 1, 1 plus 1, 2, so 2 plus 1, 3. So for like these 1, 2, 3's will be printed, and so on the series will go. So let me take a condition like n while n is less than equal to 100. That means 3 should be less than equal to 100, means the rest series should lie between like 3 and 100. It should not be more than 100. So we'll give a colon here, and then we'll write that I is equal to j. That means I now has the value as 2, and j is equal to n. That means j has the value 3, and then n is equal to I plus j. Again we have to verify this statement because otherwise the program won't run properly. So if n 100, then we'll break it once so that it does not keep on going further than 100, and then we'll write print the value of n. So now as you see, I clicked upon F5 and my Fibonacci series program has started running. So you might be noticing that it is only being printed till 89. So that means 34 plus 55 is 89. So let us check what is 55 plus 89. So 55 plus 89, so that is 144. So it cannot run. I hope you're clear. Thank you.